So everyone in Forex fraternity talks about education, talks about learning, that all of us need to learn Forex first. And also there's a very common question that can someone learn Forex directly from YouTube without buying a course, without buying any paid mentorship? Because we know currently there's every mentorship right, left and center. And my quick answer is yes, but also no, for three reasons. So generally, what is Forex? What is Forex trading? What is successful Forex trading? So successful Forex trading has three pivotal points, and we call them the three M's. The first M is methodology, second M is mindset, and third M is money management. If you can find a way, if you have a piece of paper, you can draw the circles, and wherever they intersect, that is where the gem is. That's where successful Forex trading is, where methodology meets with mindset and also meets with money management. Let's start with methodology. Can you learn methodology from free content on YouTube? The answer is yes. Methodology here, we're talking about strategies. There are a lot of strategies running now on YouTube. You can find people from basic support and resistance strategies, retail strategies that are online. So those ones, I think it's easy to learn. What are candlesticks? What are trend lines? What are indicators? That is technical analysis together with how you view the market. That is generally methodology. And my belief is that can actually be learned from Forex, because it's something which is it's technical and it's also theoretical. So you can take any of the good YouTubers and you can binge their content. You can learn ICT concepts from ICT himself. A lot of strategies there. He has so many strategies, right from the OTE to the Judas swing trades to the silver bullet. He has so many strategies. You can choose one of the strategies. You can learn that strategy, turtle soup. You can learn those strategies and actually get it fully. So methodology can actually be learned 100% on YouTube. The second aspect of Forex trading, successful Forex trading, is mindset. And this is why we talk about Forex and trading psychology. Now this is something that is very pivotal when it comes to Forex trading. Others say that psychology makes about 70% of Forex trading. Others say it's 90%. Others say Forex trading is all about psychology. But my belief and what I think it is that psychology plays a bigger role in Forex trading. Of course, if you have a good psychology and you don't have good grasp of the strategy, you don't have an edge in the market, so you'll never do anything in Forex trading. So psychology is very important, but it's not the only thing that you need to know in Forex trading. Now, can you learn psychology on YouTube? The answer is yes and no. Yes, in the sense that you can learn techniques of how to remain calm before the screen. You can learn techniques of what others are already doing. Say, for instance, they're doing yoga before they go to the charts. Maybe they do exercises. They have a routine that they've put into their trading. Some of them even go to the extent of having blood pressure machines, heart rate machines that can determine how much their heart rate is racing, or whether they have the baseline heart rate. And these techniques somehow help them to make decisions. So that part of psychology can be learned online. But there's a part of psychology that cannot be learned online, and that is you. In this channel, we are all about the wholesome trader, the development of the trader as a person. And so for psychology to be learned fully, there's an effort that comes from the trader. There's a practice, there's a discipline that comes from the trader. That even if I tell you that you need to do practices, you need to do breathing exercises, until you do the breathing exercises, you'll never know the benefit of the breathing exercises. Until you are able to be disciplined as a person, until you're able to discover your own emotions while trading, you can never control those emotions. For me, I don't say that people should ignore their emotions so that they're trading emotionless. But I am more of a proponent of people discovering their emotions as traders so that they would understand themselves and trade. So this part of psychology cannot fully be learned from online, but the techniques, some of them can be seen online. Then you can practice them yourself and actually adopt them and understand who you are. Third aspect is money management. I believe that the Forex trader is a wholesome human being. And when you talk about money management, my belief is that if you cannot manage your own personal finances, it will be difficult to manage the trading account. It will be difficult to develop money mindsets that can actually make you win in the forex market. If you are fearful in your money management, if you're fearful, you have this poverty mentality of always holding your money, so that you're always afraid that you can grow poor very fast. You don't want to spend your money. You're not free with your money to risk your money. When you bring that money into the markets, really, there's nothing that you'll make from it, because you'll always be fearful to actually risk that money in the market. So money management, you can learn specific techniques from YouTube. For instance, you can learn whether you need to take partials. You can learn what kind of partials you take. You can learn issues to do with, are you someone that wants to compound your account, or are you someone that wants to just trade and get that money out? So different psychologies when it comes to money management. But also as a person, you need to develop yourself as a wholesome human being in terms of how you manage your money. Are you someone that saves money? Are you someone that is able to grow money in your own personal bank account? If that is possible, then it's easy to transfer it now when it comes to trading. So those are the 3 M's when it comes to forex trading, success forex trading. And generally to say is that forex trading requires the person to be developed wholesomely. When you talk about risk management, for instance, we're talking about mindset. You require risk management also to be learned in. This is something that will be ingrained in you, so that when you're in the screen, it's a real time. It's like a competition sport. It's something that you're doing real time. So when you're at the screen, you need to have trained your mind, you need to have trained your body to actually respond in a certain way, to view the market in a certain way. So that's my answer, guys. It's a yes and no. The technicals, the methodology can almost 100% be learned online, but when it comes to psychology and that's mindset and money management, it's a 50-50 game, so that you also have a greater part to play as a person in terms of self and personal development, and also that's the techniques that you can get online also. I don't know what the rest of you think. If you think that you can totally learn everything on YouTube, comment below, get the discussion going. As also a beginner trader, I'll also be happy to see what you're learning from other places, and also be able to incorporate them in our discussions on the chat below.